Hello guys. Today we have an important topic to discuss: insulin resistance and intermittent fasting. Now, I know the terms might sound like some complicated medical jargons, but fear not. We are going to break it down into bite-sized pieces, backed by science and sprinkled with a dash of humor. So grab your favorite snack and let's dive in. Imagine a sneaky little sugar molecule playing hide and seek inside your body. It enters your bloodstream after you gobble down that scrumptious cupcake or indulge in a syrupy soda. And who's the superhero that comes to the rescue to regulate all that sugar? And yes, you guessed it right, insulin. Insulin, our very own sugar champion, is produced in the pancreas and helps to transport that sugar from your blood into your cells. Think of it as a key that unlocks the doors of your cells, allowing the sugar to enter and provide energy. Sweet, right? But here's where the plot thickens. When we indulge in too many sugary treats or lead a sedentary lifestyle, our cells start becoming a bit stubborn. They begin to resist the signals of a friendly insulin superhero, kind of like when you try to ignore your mom's reminder to your chores. That's insulin resistance for you. Now, insulin resistance is like a mischievous villain that wreaks havoc in our bodies. It leads to a buildup of sugar in the bloodstream, causing all sorts of trouble. Our poor pancreas starts producing even more insulin to compensate, like a desperate chef trying to cook up a storm in the kitchen. And at last, this vicious cycle leads to a host of health problems. It can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, make weight management a roller coaster ride, and even throw your cholesterol levels off balance. It's like a domino effect of sugar-related chaos. But fret not, my friends. We are not going to go down without a fight. And here comes intermittent fasting. So what's this intermittent fasting all about? Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. But don't worry, we are not suggesting you to turn into a hungry hermit. It's all about finding a fasting pattern that works for you, like the 16-8 method or the eat-stop-eat method. So how does it work its magic on insulin resistance? Well, when we fast, our body enters a state where it can focus on repair and rejuvenation, just like when we take a power nap after a long day. During this downtime, our cells get a chance to catch their breath and insulin gets a well-deserved break. See, when we eat, our pancreas releases insulin to help regulate our blood sugar levels. But sometimes, our cells can become a bit stubborn and ignore insulin's gentle knocking on the doors, and that's where insulin resistance sneaks in. But with intermittent fasting, we give insulin a chance to shine again. During the fasting period, our body taps into its stored energy, burning through those stubborn fat reserves. It's like unleashing the power of a hidden champion. And here's the cool part. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which is opposite of insulin resistance. It's like giving insulin a loudspeaker so it can shout, "Hey cells, open up and let the sugar in." But wait, there's more. Intermittent fasting also helps regulate our hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin. It's like having a personal appetite watchdog that knows when to step in and when to give a break. And now let's talk about a few tips to make intermittent fasting a breeze. First up, start slow and gradually increase the fasting window. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your fasting skills. So give your body some time to adjust and be patient with yourself. Take it slow. Second, stay hydrated. Water is your best friend during fasting periods. It keeps you refreshed, helps curb hunger, and prevents your stomach from morphing into a grumbling demon. Lastly, listen to your body. If you're feeling weak or lightheaded during your fasting window, it is okay to break your fast. Remember, the goal is to find a fasting routine that works for you and supports your overall well-being. Here are some additional tips on managing insulin resistance. Let's talk about a diet. Minimize processed sugars and opt for whole, unprocessed foods. Fill up your plate with colorful fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Your body will thank you, and so will your taste buds. Next, get moving. Exercise helps to boost insulin sensitivity and get those cells in tip-top shape. You don't have to go full-on Olympian. Just find activities you enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, or even a lively game of Twister. Who said exercise can't be fun? And lastly, give your Z's some love. A good night's sleep works wonders in keeping insulin resistance at bay. So snuggle up, create a cozy sleep environment, and let your body rejuvenate while you dream of sugar-free adventures. And there you have it, folks, intermittent fasting and how it gives insulin resistance a solid kick on its butt. It fights insulin resistance, regulates hunger hormones, and helps us to uncover our hidden energy gems. So grab your fasting cape, give insulin a chance to shine, and let's embark on a fasting adventure together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more tantalizing content, and let us know in the comments below what other health topics you'd like us to tackle. Stay hungry for knowledge, stay awesome, and until next time, kick the butt of insulin resistance with some happy fasting. Bye for now.